Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Mindtree is Mindtree company which is hiring for the fresher candidates again. They are conducting an off-campus drive for the recent graduate candidates. So let us get started with this video. What is the job description? What will be your roles and responsibilities? How to apply? What will be the salary? All those things you will get to know in this video. So Mindtree is conducting off-campus announcement. They have done the announcement for the off-campus C and I junior engineer hiring. So your job role will be C and I junior engineer. So what they have mentioned, we are pleased to announce the off-campus hiring for our C and I junior engineer hiring. Eligibility criteria is 2020 and 2021 graduates only belonging to BE BTech in CSIT and circuit branches only. Academic cutoff required minimum 60 percentage or greater than 60 percentage or minimum 6 CGPA you should have in graduation with no backlogs. Onboarding schedule will begin from December. Okay, till December your all rounds will be done, and from December 2021 your onboarding will be started. Onboarding means they will do the further process, document verification, offer letter release, joining date they will give you. So all these things will come under onboarding process. Application deadline is 27th of October 2021 till 4 p.m. you can register. Okay, that means today is 25th of October and two more days are remaining. So 27th of October is the last date to apply for this Mindtree off campus drive. Till 4 p.m. you can apply. So you need to click here for the job description. I have already opened the job description here, and you need to click here to register if this role interests you. Okay, if you are interested in this role, then you need to click here. I have already opened this registration form also here. So please note that invitation to attend the assessment and hiring process is at discretion of Mindtree and based on our internal parameters. So all these things they have mentioned here. You can, if you want to read the more, if you want to know about Mindtree more, then please go through this once. So if you have any questions, then you can go through these frequently asked questions. What are the streams Mindtree hires from campus? So click on this arrow to get your answer. Then what is the eligibility criteria to apply for any campus careers at Mindtree and how can I apply? So just click here, you will get your answer. So there are multiple questions posted. So you can check if you have any question. Then let us see the what is the job description. Job description for Mindtree campus C and I junior engineer C role. Okay, so our ideal campus hires, then they have provided some company information which is really helpful for you, and compensation and benefits detail. Your salary will be 2.97 LPA. Stipend you will get 21,000 per month. There is service agreement. Yes, there is service agreement. Your designation will be IMTS engineer, and competency will be band C. Okay, there will be band in the MNC company, so you will get to know about what is band once you join. Okay, so promotions and increment, yes, in line with HR policy. Eligibility and specialization, as I earlier mentioned, that CGPA minimum 6 or 60 percentage and above required. No gaps are allowed. In 10th, 12th as well, minimum 60 percentage or 6 CGPA required. IT streams, information science, computer science, and circuit streams are allowed: electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, then electronics and instrumentation, then electronics and telecommunication. All these circuit streams are eligible to apply. No backlogs during the onboarding. Okay, so learning at Mindtree, learning program and post joining learning program. So learning program includes, the learning program is conducted remotely considering the pandemic. Okay, right now it will be remotely. Skill specific 60-day learning plan. There will be 60-day training. They will provide you mix of classroom and self learning approach. tracks allocated based on business demand, leads assigned from business as technical anchors. Post joining, once your training is completed, once your learning program is completed, there will be post joining learning program, access to 2200 plus technical and self development courses, manager approval not required for 101 level courses, upskilling based on business requirement through instructor led 201 level, project shadowing 301 level courses. Okay, so you will get to learn new skills, new technologies, to explore new skills. You will get a chance to explore yourself, to increase your knowledge. So this is best, yeah. So please note that learning program imparted based on business demand, talent will be allocated to Mindtree India work location based on their learning tracks. Below are aspects that you will learn in our flagship learning program. Operating system Windows and Linux, database MS SQL or MySQL, cloud platform administration Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, data center technologies, networking, backup, storage, IT governance, ITIL basic concept, governance framework. So all these things are mentioned in the job description. We have already seen the compensation and benefits, then what will be the training and how it will be done, how many days your training will be conducted. We saw that. So now how to apply. As I repeat here that 27th of October is the last date to apply. I'll repeat the criteria once. BE BTech from 2020 and 2021 pass out batches only. CSIT and circuit branches are eligible to apply. Circuit branches, which includes these branches, I'll show you: electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, then electronics and telecommunication, and telecommunication. These are the circuit streams which are allowed to apply. Then graduation minimum 60% or 6 CGPA you should have. No standing backlogs, no education gap up to 12th, and should have completed graduation within 4 years. So then distance learning or part-time degrees will not be considered. Then country of residence of the referred talent should be India. You should be Indian citizen. A deadline to fill this form is 4 p.m. on 27th of October. So they have provided one note here. So please fill all these details: first name, last name, your personal mail ID. Before submitting this form, please recheck your mail ID once, because further communication will be happen only on mail ID. Only through mail communication will be done. So please recheck your mail ID once before submitting. Give personal mobile number. Do not put +91. Directly give your 10-digit mobile number. Okay, I hope you got my point. Enter your date of birth. Click here to select. Click on this icon. Do you have PAN card? Do you have Aadhaar card? Enter your university registration number, engineering college name, then engineering college state, then engineering college district, qualification, then engineering stream. Select your engineering stream, as already these branches are allowed. Select your year of passing. Do you have any arrears or backlogs in engineering? Select your answer here and submit this form. This is very simple application process. There is no need to upload your resume. So please apply for this off-campus drive, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.